A very warm welcome to all of you. We are very delighted in 2026 to have Interlace 2. There's been a long association of INCO Center with us in terms of a various range of cultural collaborations, whether it's performance art, whether it's visual arts, in visual arts, whether it's painting, whether it's ceramics. So very delighted to have this opportunity to have some wonderful evocative work from the Korean artists with us again. It gives me great pleasure to have Miss Nam bring us the Sonamo artists, the 6 artists, Mr. Hua and Miss Jong with us. 3 artists could not join us. We're very delighted. We're very privileged to have the Deputy Council with us and Miss Hyo with us. So this is really about, as Rati said, it's about migration, traces of what happens. This is particularly interesting because it's a group of Korean artists who are based in Paris. So what does that artwork tell us about those journeys? We're very, very happy to have this. I'd like to now give it to Ms. Rati Jafar, the director of INCO Center, and have her say a few words.
Thank you so much, Anita, and thank you to Dakshina Chitra, which is one of the most beautiful places here in Chennai, indeed in India, which brings together the word itself, Dakshin meaning south, and Chitra meaning picture. So it's a picture of the south, literally, for all our Korean friends here. I'd urge you to go around and have a look at the place. You will see examples from all over South India, from Tamil Nadu, from Kerala, from Andhra Pradesh, as well as from Karnataka, houses, textiles, artifacts. So if you don't have the time to go to all of these places, this is a place which will give you a glimpse and hopefully bring you back. So in Korea, you have artist villages of this sort, where you can see how people lived a couple of decades ago, but what is still relevant today and the wisdom we still continue to take away from that experience. So this particular workshop, Interlace, this is the second of its kind here, and we are pleased that we have Myung-Nam Kim, the commissioner of the exhibition, here with us. She has been writing to us over many months now, and to bring this together. A group of the work is by Sonamo artists, a collective based in Paris. They split their time between France and Korea. So what was fascinating to us the moment the proposal came was the fact that this is work on Hanji paper, the most versatile of papers coming from the bark of the mulberry tree. And I say versatile not simply because of its texture and tenacity, but the fact that, this is what people used to write inscriptions on. They used to write their detailed notes on. And these papers outlive people. It can live for 1,000 years and more without yellowing, So it is part of the UNESCO History of the World, the list. It's part of that. It's an elaborate process of making it. It can be as thin as gossamer silk, but it can also be as thick as leather, depending on the process. And these artists, you'll see the examples of their work. They've used traditional Korean ink with an inkstone and a brush. It takes hours and hours of work on this amazing paper. And this is what you will see. And in that, there are all the themes of migration and identity and memory and history, because they have moved between cultures. And they're now bringing it to a third culture, as it were, to India, for us to then see how this connects. So as part of INCO Center's intercultural dialogue, which we always try to support, we felt that your project was such a wonderful addition to all that we are sharing. So thank you also, Sharath and Anita. Debbie is not here and Maya is not here, but to Dakshina Chitra for accepting to co-present this exhibition. We're also doing a couple of workshops at INCO Center following this. It's all up there on the poster and the QR. And these are hands-on workshops where the team will be working with you to create on paper and to show their process. A big thank you to DCG here who has come in to grace this occasion, support us. The Korean consulate has been so supportive with all our work. They do the economic, political end of things, commercial end of things, and we are very happy to support the educational and cultural aspect of the work. But always supportive, whether it's speeding up visas, we're always bugging them to ask, oh my God, please expedite, or it is to give us advice on what needs to be done, wherever it is. So that support is invaluable. Thank you so much for being here. I also want to introduce Madam Hosuk. Yesterday, we had the honor of opening an exhibition at the Lalit Kala Academy. There are 93 artworks of Indian and Korean contemporary painting. And Madam Hosuk is the chairperson of an organization called K-Art, no stranger to India. We've been doing several projects over the past 15 odd years, and their focus is on painting. But we also do student exchanges, we also do residencies, so there's a very rich ongoing connection and interaction with them. So thank you, Madam Hosuk. For those of you who haven't seen the exhibition, it's on till the end of the month at Lalit Kala. Please do see this. This exhibition is on till the 5th of March, so many people will be coming, I'm sure, to see it during the course of its run here. I want to just say that it's important that we keep these partnerships going. It's very important that we keep the conversations going. Getting harder with funding shrinking, arts funding particularly, being cut, but that doesn't matter. I think when there's goodwill and when there is understanding, there are many ways in which we can do things. So thank you for that belief and that trust, and for being here with us. You are most welcome to South India. I know you're going on a big tour, temple tour after this, and they have just had a tour as well, so enjoy Chennai. We still have a little bit of good weather left. It's going to get hot very soon, but I think you've come in at the right time. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Rati, especially for giving us the background on the mulberry tree bark and the ink, because that just makes us appreciate the art so much more. I'll now hand over to Ms. Nam to say a few words.
네, 반갑습니다. 잘 오셨습니다.
Happy to meet you all.
오늘 여기 재단 이사장님 데보라 티아그라제님과 샤크터 남비아 디렉터 아니타 포탐클람 디렉트리스 드 culturelle 이재 형 부총사님께 감사드리고, 특별히 오늘 저희들에게 이 자리에 오게 해주신 라티 자페어 원장님께 정말 빅 땡큐.
I would love to thank for hosting us, ma'am, Ati Jafar ma'am, and sir at this event, and Consulate General sir. Thank you so much, sir.
저희들은 이 미술관에서 두 번째 전시를 오늘 갖게 되었습니다. 특별히 여기에 오늘 6명의 작가 중에서 이 세 사람이 왔거든요. 이현정 작가와 홍일아 작가님이 오셨는데, 특별히 이분들 작업이 정말 아름답고요. 여러분들이 오늘 감상을 잘 해주셨으면 좋겠습니다.
The event hosted today is the second exhibition in collaboration with Inco Center and Dakshin Chitra. 6 artists' works are presented here, out of which 3 artists have come today. And it's been a very immense pleasure to be here and to be in collaborative with you again, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Subramani will assist to translate. Please observe the kind of, especially arts management students, good opportunity to ask questions as to how the whole thing is done. Thank you. Thank you.